They sent me that. This looks like a machine. The huge box. Wait, that's me! Wait, what the fuck? Hey guys, it's Hailey, Sani, and I'm back again with another unboxing video. These are literally my favorite videos to film because I feel like it's Christmas. Everything that I show you guys will be linked in the down bar. I'm not gonna make this intro too long because I feel like they're all gonna topple over me and then there will be no video. And I think it's gonna be Valentine's Day by the time I upload this, so there might be a little bit of a surprise Valentine's Day gift in it for you, so make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. If this is the first time you're watching one of my unboxing videos, basically what I do is unbox a bunch of PR packages that get sent to me by companies, and some of these are things I order online and just want to share with you guys. So the first thing I have here is from a brand called Valence Handmade. Ooh, look how pretty she is. They basically make really high quality, like, designer accessories. This is this cute little everyday black bag, and you can use it as a crossbody, or you can take the handles off and just hold it like that. I feel like this would go literally with every single thing. And then I also got a phone case. It kind of looks like that. It's just cracked leather. They have so many more cute bags and cases and stuff, and I'll link their website down below, but they also gave me a coupon code so you guys can get 20% off on your order, and the code is just Hailey20. So that's what I got from Valence Handmade. I'll start off with this. So I got a few things from Revolve, and Revolve is literally one of my favorite online stores because they don't have like an actual store, they just carry a bunch of different designers. I think I have another package from Revolve, but the first thing I got was a pair of pink sunglasses from Key. They just look like this. They're so cute. Everything's pink. I think this package is also from Revolve. I got 3 things, and they're all from this brand on Revolve called By the Way. This is the first thing I got. It's like this cute little light blue top, and you just tie the straps together, and it's like 2 little bows on your shoulders. It's adorable. I got this yellow dress, and it's like that silky material, like the design you've been seeing everywhere, but I've never seen it in yellow, and I thought it would be cute. I saw this dress on their Instagram and I was like, I have to have that. It's this mini white off the shoulder dress and has like these cute little ruffles. The back is a little bit more lower cut. This is gonna look so cute with like a tan in Europe. I have like images in my mind for literally everything I buy. Okay, let's do one from this side. This company actually reached out to me to send me some sunglasses. The packaging is so cute. It's like black marble, and it's from the brand Sloane. I got a pair of these black aviators. They look so dope. I look so cool. I've never looked this cool in my life. They sent me another pair. These look hella futuristic. I feel like these are so model off duty and like futuristic, and you wear them with like sweatpants and go to the airport and the paparazzi take pictures of you just because like you're wearing these glasses and they like think you're famous. So thank you to Sloane Eyewear. I will also link them down below. This package is from Sky Organics, and they were the ones who sent me like the bubble bath stuff last time that I had to give away because I don't have a bathtub. Let's see what these are gonna be. The return of the bath bombs. Okay, so it's like a little cupcake. Once I move out and have a bathtub, I'm gonna be set for like bubble baths for a year. Okay, I feel like this package went through so much, it's literally falling apart. It's from Galani. Sorry about that, I had to move my studio lights because the sun is going down. They sent me some makeup products. This is their Mosaic palette. And then they also sent me a facial mist. Look at it. Thank you to Galani for blessing me with some face mist. This package is from a brand called Collab. They sent me this makeup line that's apparently created by beauty influencers. I can't wait to try all this makeup. That was so unenthusiastic. Can't wait to try it out, y'all. Okay, what do we got here? This is from Luminous Cosmetics. That's what the inside of the package looks like. So they sent me 2. So I guess I'm gonna have to give one of them away. Just subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll announce the winner in the description box of my next video. I'll be giving this one away, but I just want to try really quick what mine looks like because I'm curious. That's what it looks like. They're really big eyeshadows. Holy f***. that, my friends, is pigment. Thank you to Luminous Beauty for hooking me up with the eyeshadows. Oh, and I think they also sent me this lip stain. This little bag I actually got from a beauty blender event that I went to. They just blessed me with a lot of beauty blenders. Also, they had like a bunch of beauty blenders like just around the event. And my friend Izzy just kind of bonked some, so sorry about that, beauty blender. There's quite a few things in this baggie. The event was on their brand new beauty blender, which is the Just Chill beauty blender. All the beauty blenders are the same, they're just different colors, and this one happens to be greenish. They sent me a beauty blender cleansing mitt, which I need because mine are nasty as hell. A few more beauty blenders, and then some mini beauty blenders, and then a huge beauty blender cleanser soap bar. Thank you, Beauty Blender, for having me and for your cute little gifts. Okay, this package I'm so excited for because it's from Dr. Jart, and Dr. Jart is one of my favorite skincare brands ever. I just uploaded a skincare routine, so if you haven't seen that, check it out. Oh my god, what the frick? They sent me that. I don't know what it is. This looks like a machine. It is a machine. It comes with cables. Just gonna have to open up, I guess. Oh my god, it's like a cute little freezer. Does it come with directions? Because I'm confused. It does. Okay, so these are skin shakes. They're like DIY peel-off masks that they just put in these like cute little cups, and you're supposed to shake them in there, make them yourself. That's what the cups look like. It's kind of funny. Dr. Jart really stepped up their PR game. They sent me an electric cooler, for God's sake. Okay, this one has been hiding for a while. It's huge, but I'm gonna open that one last. Next up, we have this package from Nails Inc. You glow, girl. These are glow jellies. Oh my god, it's so weird. It looks like this, and it's like jelly. That's so weird. So thank you for that, Nail Inc. And then, oh, this is also from Nails Inc. I love how it's this huge box, and it came with this. Just kidding. So Nails Inc. came out with their Mermaid Nail Polish Duo. It looks like that. They're like really pretty blue colors. And then their Lacquer Lock, which is Extreme Longwear Top Coat. I need this. I got my nails done literally 2 days ago and they're already chipped. If I'm paying like 25 bucks for a manicure, it might as well last like at least a week, right? Hopefully this nail polish works. That's what it looks like. I'm literally gonna bring this with me to the nail salon the next time I go. And we've come to the final reveal, the huge box. Oh my god. It says it's from Bare Minerals. There's more stuff. This looks like artwork. It's like a picture, but I don't know what it's of. Wait, that's me! Wait, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? I'm like looking at it, I'm like, what are these blobs? That's me! That's me. That's me. Oh! I did a campaign with them for their powder foundations, and that's my picture from the campaign. It's on my Instagram. You can go look it up. Oh my god! Am I a narcissist if I hang it up? Oh, what a way to end a video. Am I right, ladies? So that's it for this video. My room is a mess, like always. There are boxes everywhere. If you guys want to see more of these, I'm just going to keep them coming because I always get packages because they're so fun to film. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe for new videos every Saturday, and then recently I've been uploading in the middle of the week, so let's see if I can keep that up. But yeah, I love you guys so much all the way to Pluto. I always go, we should make it a dance. All the way to Pluto and back.